Hey again. So I wanted to share what I did on my walk today. I use AI in a lot of aspects of my work right now. And yeah, some of my friends are artists and they're afraid of this, but I want to show you how I'm utilizing AI in my work to make me a little bit faster or do things I've never done. If you follow me on LinkedIn, you would see these deer that I created in my previous posts from today. But I isolated one of them on white. It was one that's more geometric. So here's my thought process while I show you the video. Um, I have this innate need to get ideas out. So this is actually why I experiment on my way home after I drop my daughter. So for this one, I wanted AI to understand that I have two images that are the same object from different angles and construct a consistent 3D model in its mind. It's kind of filled in the gap between the videos. So I gave it a 180-degree view as the second image. Then I asked it to shift the studio lighting or rim lighting. This is really hard for basic AI to understand. So this is me trying to push the limitations of it. It requires the model to calculate how the light interacts with the complex geometric patterns as the angle changes. And this is as to why I chose that specific deer, because if you follow me on LinkedIn, there's four types that I created. Then I ask it to be cinematic and to orbit. And this instructs the AI on the style of camera movement. So it's not just the object spinning on a lazy Susan. The camera is actively moving around it, creating that parallax and depth. So hopefully you can see that out of it. Then I asked the AI to convert the static object into a moving one, which requires understanding the object's anatomy. The hardest part for an AI is keeping that complex geometric pattern perfectly and have it align, and keeping that concrete look while the animal moves. So as you see, it's running through the forest. My prompt explicitly demands that it does that. Then I ask for slow motion dust. So if you look really closely, the dust is like lifting up and how the leaves kick up and the hoofs themselves. It requires AI to generate complex environmental interactions. So this again, me pushing at limitations. Then I also use golden hour. I think golden hour sometimes is overused, but it looks beautiful here. And so is golden hour and sun dappled. So the light has this realistic flash of the different colored facets of the geometric shapes as I'm using here. And as the deer moves through the shadows and the sunbeams, you can see the light changes. So let me know what you think. Here's the final video.